Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to add buy now button on WooCommerce product page. So it's so simple. First of all, you need to go to plugins and click on add plugin, and here in the search bar we need to type direct checkout, and this is the plugin which we need to install. So just click on install now. Once it is installed, just click on activate. Now guys, even after activating the plugin, the task is not done yet. Like if I go to my store, you will see the buy now button is not here. Here you can see. So in order to get the buy now button, we just need to get back to the WordPress, and right here in WooCommerce we need to click on direct checkout. Then here in general we need to set these three options on yes. Just click on yes. This one is also yes, and the third one is also yes. Once you set first three option on yes, you will get to see the fourth option, and this option we need to set on checkout, so that once the people click on buy now button, they'll just redirect to checkout page, and that's what we want. Once you do that, just click on save changes. Now it's time for us to go to archives, and this first option we need to set on yes. And now if you want to replace add to cart text in simple products, group products, virtual products, any kind of products are available on your site, you can just choose that from here. In my site I have only simple products, so I'll just leave it on simple products. Then here we need to type the text. So whatever text you want to add in replace of add to cart, you can just type that. I want buy now button, so I'll just type buy now and just click on save changes. Then click on products here. Then again here we need to set this option on yes, and whatever text you want to type, you can type that. I'll just type buy now here as it is, and just click on save changes. So these are the only settings which we need to do. Even if you want to do some changes on checkout page, you can do that as well by clicking on checkout. And here you'll see bunch of options, like if you want to remove checkout shipping address, and if you want to remove checkout terms and conditions, you can just set it on yes according to you. I don't want to do any changes here, so I'll just leave it as it is. And now if I go to my shop and refresh this page, you will see they have successfully added the buy now button. Here you can see. So if you have variable products, simple products or group products, everything going to be set as buy now. Now if I click on this product, let's say, the buy now button is also here, and it is that easy to add buy now button in WooCommerce product page. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, consider subscribing my YouTube channel. I'll meet you in the next one. Bye bye.